How to attach a zipper to our dress. So I have the right side of the material facing up, and this is the zip we want to attach to our dress. You will lay the zip down this way, measuring your zipper allowance. Here I added 1 inch for the zipper allowance, so I will keep on measuring the 1 inch as I sew, in order not to sew more than the zipper allowance I added to the dress. So I'm measuring the 1 inch as I sew this way to where the zipper will end. The second side will start sewing from the down like this, and we also measure the zipper allowance. I pin it at that end so that one will not be longer than the other. You see, they are both equal there. So this is it. We are done attaching it. So I want to change my presser foot to a zipper presser foot. So we have the zipper foot and we have the normal foot. So I'm attaching the zipper foot here to enable me attach the zip very well. Yes, we want to sew the zip close to the teeth. We want only the teeth of the zip to be showing, no other place. So this zipper foot will enable us to achieve that. You can see I'm sewing close to the teeth. You gradually sew this so you don't pick the material. Take it gradually this way. You sew the other side as well, very close to the teeth. You can see what I'm doing. When sewing this, do not rush. Take it gradually. So you can see I'm done attaching the zipper. You can see what we are having, only the teeth of the zip is showing here. So this is how to achieve it using your zipper foot. Thank you very much for watching.